This residency look is the Rose Glow Edit. Can I say I've been inspired by my baby's name? It's a soft monochrome look that flatters all. The mood is romantic, soft, and glowy. The hero products are definitely the glowy primer. I really love setting my under eye concealer. It avoids all the concealer to go in the little crease. For a lifting effect, I really like to apply my blush really high on my cheek and temples. It will lift your face. I love blush, so I always put more than what I need. I only apply this matte color on the outer corner of the eye, and I've used the shade Satin in the crease. This was just to open up more the eyes. And then I blended quite well with the brush to diffuse this color. The darker shade can be used as an eyeliner. You just need a very thin brush, very flat one, so you can draw a perfect line. That's very easy to do because you just follow your natural lash line. Try to look straight in front of you as much as you can when you create a liner shape. Q-tips are the makeup artist's best friend. You can always clean under your eye to make it look really sharp. Most of the time I apply shimmers with my finger. They look more intense. And you can use a very thin brush to highlight the inner corner of your eyes. You can also use the primer at the end of your makeup to bring back some glow to your skin. And all these finishes definitely match so well together to put you in this very fresh and bright mood.